Hello there. Today, I've got some extra special cooking tips just for you folks living on your own. Ready to escape the boredom of repetitive meals and dive into a fun and exciting culinary adventure? Let's get started. Dare to experiment. Tired of the same old dishes every day? Then once a week, dare to try something new. Whether it's an exotic foreign dish you've never tried before or a recipe that seems complicated, just give it a go. Even if it doesn't turn out perfect, remember every mistake is a delicious lesson learned. Themed menus. Once a week, why not set up a theme and cook dishes that fits the theme? It could be anything like Mexican Food Day, Day of the Sea, you name it. This way, you'll get to explore diverse ingredients and cooking methods while having fun creating dishes you might not usually try. Cooking with rhythm. Turn up your favorite tunes and dance around as you cook. Trust me, this alone can drastically lift your mood. To add more spice to it, try chopping or stirring ingredients in time with the beat now. That's what I call kitchen choreography. Catch ya next time.